Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Keka account. To do so, firstly, open your web browser, and in the search bar, type in keka.com. It will take you to the official website of G. As you can see the interface here, in order to log into your Keka account, you can see the login button over here. Click on the login button. It will take you to this login portal. Over here, enter your email address or mobile number, and click on Continue to log into Keka. Or, you can log in with Microsoft or Google. To log in with your Keka username, click on Keka username. It will take you to this portal. Over here, in this section, enter your company domain name and enter your username in this section. In the password section, enter your password, and over here, type in the CAPTCHA that is underneath. Once you've filled all the information, click on the login button. In order to log in, you should be able to log in into your Keka account. And if you guys forget your login credentials, you can click here for other login options. You can log in with Microsoft or Google without entering your password. You can use your email or mobile number to log in. So, that's how you can log into your Keka account. This much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon for the latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.